Brainy Dose presents. Don't ignore these early symptoms of parasites in your body. Parasites are organisms that live off other organisms called hosts. They feed off the hosts by stealing the nutrients from their food. There are three main types of parasites: protozoa, which are single-cell organisms that live in the intestines, blood, or tissue; helminths, which include worms such as tapeworms, roundworms, and thorny-headed worms; and ectoparasites, which are ticks, fleas, lice, and mites that attach to or burrow into the skin. Parasitic infections can result in anything from an uncomfortable annoyance such as head lice to much more complicated diseases and even death if undiagnosed and untreated. So here are 10 early symptoms to watch out for. Number 1. Stomach pain. One of the first signs that you may have a parasite is stomach pain, especially if that pesky critter is feasting in your intestines. Some parasites live in food like meat, and they enter the body through the stomach when you consume food that is not properly prepared. Parasites can also spread through the air, from person to person, or through contaminated water. Once inside the body, the parasites will reproduce, resulting in increased stomach pain. Number 2. Digestive issues. Parasites release byproducts that can build up in your gastrointestinal tract. This can result in abdominal inflammation, gas, and indigestion. Some of these parasites actually block food from passing, which can have its own set of symptoms, such as sharp pain, abdominal swelling, vomiting, and constipation. Number 3. Anal itching. A common symptom associated with parasites is an itchy anus, which is uncomfortable and doesn't usually resolve unless treated. This symptom can be embarrassing, and it can also disturb sleep. And that's because parasites are most active and lay their eggs at night, so the itching is usually the worst at that time. Scratching the itch can damage the skin, further increasing the chance of infection. Number 4. Fatigue. Constantly feeling tired could also be a symptom of a parasitic infection. Parasites devour nutrients and minerals that the body requires to survive. Furthermore, some parasites might impair the body's capacity to absorb nutrients, thus impacting overall health. Even with proper nutrition and adequate sleep, parasites can make you feel weak and tired. Number 5. Weight loss. Quick, unexplainable weight loss can be another symptom of a parasite. Not only are the parasites stealing your nutrients, but your body has to use extra calories to fight the parasitic infection. All of these things can result in weight loss. If accompanied by a change in appetite or other symptoms, weight loss could be an indication of parasites. Number 6. Anxiety. Parasites can cause mental harm as well. They can negatively impact stability and happiness, which causes mood swings, irritability, and anxiety. Knowing you have a parasitic infection can make anxiety even worse, so it can be a vicious cycle. Number 7. Teeth grinding. Most people who grind their teeth at night are not even aware of it. Teeth grinding can have a lot of different causes, and that alone doesn't necessarily mean you have a parasite. In a case that you do, you're tossing and turning all night due to the parasite's increased activity, and the restlessness can lead to physical stress, which can result in teeth grinding. Left untreated, this could result in damage to your pearly whites. Number 8. Anemia. Parasites rob a host of iron, which in turn can lead to anemia. Anemia results from low levels of hemoglobin, a protein in the blood that transports oxygen throughout the body. Parasites steal iron from foods like meat and fish, leaving the body without the iron it needs to function properly. Number 9. Skin irritation. Parasites can cause the skin to become red and irritated. Inflammation and a rash may develop in an area where a parasite has set up shop. Not only does this irritate the skin, but some people could experience an allergic reaction to the parasite. These skin irritations could be the result of the immune system's attempt to fight the parasite, or a result of the toxins and waste products being released locally on the skin. Parasitic infections and allergies also increase eosinophils in the blood. Eventually, this can stunt hair and nail growth. Oftentimes, if this is the first symptom spotted, parasitic infections can be misdiagnosed as a bad food reaction. Number 10. Muscle pain. One of the less common symptoms of parasitic infections is muscle pain, which can happen when the parasites move into the muscles and soft tissues of the body. In a parasitic infection known as trichinosis, which results from eating undercooked meat, the pain may even affect the joints. This could be accompanied by inflammation and muscle stiffness. It's difficult to know whether muscle pain is the result of a parasite, since muscle pain can have so many causes. But the presence of other symptoms can help to diagnose if it is a parasite. The idea of hosting a parasite is beyond unappealing, but millions of people deal with them each year. How bad your parasitic infection is depends on things such as the type of parasite, your age, immune system, overall health, and how quickly it's diagnosed. Diagnosis can be challenging though, because many of the symptoms associated with parasites can have so many other causes, or you could even be asymptomatic. However, once a diagnosis is confirmed, parasitic infections generally respond well to treatment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.